In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix Notes feature not showing, and I am sure that this video is going to help you a lot. So first thing you want to do is open the setting. This is the first way. Go to the apps manager, go to the apps, go to Instagram, click on the force stop, and then go to the data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled, and then click on the storage and click on clear data and clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is open Play Store and search for Instagram and then click here on this update option to update it. The last option or the last way to fix the problem is you have to uninstall Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it from again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.